Hey everybody, this is Salvage Outlaws. Today we're out here working on changing out the dash on the 91 F150, the one that we're fixing for ourselves to use as our shop truck. Got the red one out. We're going to replace everything with blue in the interior. He's just got to take out all the wiring harness and change it all out. It looks like it's almost identical on the video, but there's one little component that's different on it, so he's going to have to take that out and change the whole thing out. Got some cloud cover today, so I guess it's a good time to do it. It's been so hot lately. It's not quite as hot today, so I don't think it's going to be too big of a struggle for him to do it. I'll give you a look at the inside of it, changing everything out in it. So you just kind of overlook the way it looks. This is where he took the dash out today. Of course, you have to drop the steering wheel and everything when you take it out. Never seen the inside of one like this. Here's a good video for you to see what is behind the scenes in the dash. It's not a very pretty picture on the working parts of it behind here. This is what holds it all up, and this is a good view for you if you've never seen it dismantled like this. But it's gonna look good when we get it back in, and we'll do another video to show you what the progress is. We're also putting another seat in. Just kind of overlook the here, because this is what we're working on. We got everything just kind of laid out in the truck, working on the dash right now, but we'll give you another look at it when we get the seat and the dash in, which hopefully be tomorrow or the next day maybe, if the rain don't come. If it does, then it'll be soon. And we thank y'all again for watching. Please subscribe for more updates on the truck, and God bless.